changing of the roots, King Selassie, I know. The dignity of man, the changes that will come when the people don't overstand its collective security or collective annihilation, fragmentation. One by one, can you see the man we're showing unification? All nations, creed and denomination. One
I represent power beyond my chest. Minds of the holy instruments. I Selassie.
innocent but guilty when I kill it. Feel free to flee real fast when I feel it. When I might stress, yes I might stress, too blessed to be stressed. Yes I might stress, too blessed to be stressed. Yes I might stress, too blessed to be stressed. When I say yeah, I'll stay put them back in their place now look. I got them locked with the sound just dropped, and I'm bringing it sick with a rhyme top notch. Oh yeah, that's how we're living. Express the de-stress when I'm in it. I might bless, never curse, trying to get it. So express the de-stress when I feel it. Oh yeah, that's how we're living. Express the de-stress when I'm in it. I might bless, never curse, trying to get it. So I'm ready for the action, bring on the traction. Tell me how you living, de-stress, come on, let me get a sit-in. When I'm low, I put a spice in the rhythm, and I put a little sugar on the life that I'm living. That's right, I should lie. Start right to suddenly tonight. Good thing I got my voice on mics. In the zone, trying to reach higher heights. When I might stress, yes I might stress, too blessed to be stressed. Yes I might stress, too blessed to be stressed. Yes I might stress, too blessed to be stressed. When I say yeah, I'll stay put them back in their place now look. I got them locked with the sound just dropped, and I'm bringing it sick with a rhyme top notch. Oh yeah, that's how we're living. Express the de-stress when I'm in it. I might bless, never curse, trying to get it. So